Alright, CarPlay is installed. So this took a little while, but I was able to finish today. Essentially the installation plan was I had to take this scroll off. This scroll off was probably the most difficult part, getting these pieces off and then getting the vent itself off on both sides. Wanted to make sure I didn't damage the dash, so I was able to go to YouTube to figure out some of those pieces. Then what I had to do is I actually had to pull this component out. This is actually the radio. The radio had a few connections in the back that I actually needed to pull out. But the YouTube help was very, very helpful, some of the videos there. So I had to actually end up taking out this component as well, just to get underneath. I put the module right underneath here because there was plenty of room, and there had to be some additional information that ran up top. But essentially back here, I was able to change this information around a little bit, this configuration, because I had to move some cables around, but everything's up and running. So, happy about that. Alright, so, one project done for today, and well, we'll see what comes tomorrow. Alright.